Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 3 of Yoga for Erectile Dysfunction. Let's start. So let's stretch your legs out. Lean back and shake your legs. And then stretch your back upward. Stretch your legs and feel the gentle stretch in the back of your legs. Then open your legs out as wide as comfortably you can so that your back remains straight. Bring your hands on the ground in front. Then inhale, lift your chest up and bring your fingers forward. With each exhale, I want you to go forward, reach forward until you can't anymore. Make sure your toes are activated, toes towards your face, heel outward. Then reach out, up, inhale, exhale back and arch your back. Chest upward, look up. Breathe normal. Back to the center. Arms up and down. And again with each exhale, bend forward. Good. Inhale, reach out, up and down. Chest up, look forward or up. That's good. Come back to the center and bend your right knee. Then hold your left toe or shin bones wherever is convenient. Inhale, lift your chest towards the sky. Exhale. And inhale, bring your right arm up and try bring your right hand towards the left foot. Exhale and down. Good. Back to the center. Change your leg. Right leg out, left foot bent. Hold your right toe or ankle, whichever convenient. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, twist. Then inhale, left arm up. And as you exhale, try touch your hand to the right foot. That's good. Then stretch your legs out. Shake them and bend your right knee. Bring your both hands onto your shin bones and take support of your hands, lift your chest up and bend forward. Again, with each exhale, you are going forward, forward and forward. Breathing normal. And inhale, reach out, up and down. Change your leg. Hands on your knees. Inhale, lift your chest. And exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Good. Come back to the center. Stretch your both legs out and repeat the same with both legs together. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, forward. Make sure your chest remains up. You are not hunching and going downward like this. Keeping your back nice, upright and straight. Chest outward. Breathe. Good. Inhale. Lift your arms up and down. Bring your hands onto your back, close to the buttocks. Bend your knees or keep your legs straight. Inhale, lift your hips all the way up, head back. Exhale down. Let's repeat this 3 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good. And then go into downward dog, mountain pose. Your hands about shoulder width apart, feet hips width apart. Push your chest towards the ground. And move one leg at a time to give stretch on one leg. Then, good. Then bring your right foot forward. Keep your left leg on 90-degree angle. Then keep balance. Make sure your heel in the front leg, heel is pressing, and in the back leg, toes are pressing. Bring your hands onto your waist. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. And then try to bring your hands onto the ground if possible. If not, keep your hands onto your shin bone. Breathe. Good. Then bring your hands back down and leg back into mountain pose. And left foot forward. Make sure both legs are active. Either keep your hands on the ground or bring the hands onto your shin bones. For me, it's okay. I can keep my hands on the ground and keep going. Then go ahead, keep doing it that way. Breathe. Good. Then palm flat, go back into mountain and plank. Hold for 15 seconds to up to 30 seconds. Good. Then bring your right foot forward, knee down, toes down. Push your hips down and try to give a nice stretch around this area. Look forward and breathe. Good. And go back into plank. Hold for 15 seconds. And bring your left foot forward, toes down, push your hips down, look forward. And back to the plank. Good. After about 15 to 30 seconds, gently try to go down without touching the ground in Chaturanga, and then let go completely. Big toe together, hands on the top of each other, and relax in Makrasana. Today's practice is complete.